Welcome to the Projectile Range Interactive Calculator, which solves projectile motion problems for various parameters. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll find a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate range r, calculate initial velocity v-naught, calculate launch angle theta, calculate maximum height, calculate time of flight, and calculate range from elevated position. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate range. The input fields include initial velocity v-naught in meters per second, launch angle theta in degrees, gravitational acceleration g, which defaults to 9.81, range r in meters, and initial height h0, which defaults to 0. Now for a worked example, I'll enter initial velocity of 10 meters per second, launch angle of 10 degrees. Keep gravitational acceleration at 9.81, set range to 10 meters, and initial height to 10 meters. After clicking Calculate, the results show range r equals 3.49 meters, maximum height h equals 0.15 meters, time of flight t equals 0.354 seconds, horizontal velocity equals 9.85 meters per second, and vertical velocity equals 1.74 meters per second. Perfect for quick projectile calculations. Find the link in the description below.